Granny used to say they taste sweeter if picked after a frost. Could that be true?
Dr. Emily Grossman.
Yes, hello.
Excellent. I've got a question for you. If a sprout goes through a frost, does it make it taste sweeter, or is that just a old wives' tale?
No, it's actually true, because sprouts are frost tolerant. When they get a bit chilly towards winter, they start breaking their starches down into sugars, which increases the sugar content in the sprout, which actually acts as a sort of antifreeze, so stops the sprout from freezing and bursting open the cells.
Wow, that's genius. So if I want sweeter tasting sprouts, what do I do? Just pop it in the freezer?
No, because the sprout has to be alive, because this is an actual process, a living process that takes place in response to the cold.
We've got 2 sprout stalks. This one has been kept at room temperature, and the other has been locked in a freezer all night.
Right, there you are. One sprout, straight out the frost.
And this one, fresh off the vine.
Stage 2 is to extract samples from both bushes.
This experiment has never been done before. It's been hypothesised that this is what's going on in the Brussels sprouts, but no one's ever tried to show it. This mushes up the sprout, which pops open its cells and releases what's inside.
So that one here has been in the freezer.
Mm-hmm.
This one here hasn't been in the freezer.
Exactly.
OK, so let's test who's got the most sugar.
A chemical that reacts to sugar called Benedict solution is added to each test tube. The more sugar present, the redder the solution turns. And hey presto!
I think that this one from the frozen sprout is clearly redder than this one, which is slightly yellow.
So what else can I do at home to ensure I get sweeter sprouts?
Firstly, you harvest your sprouts closer to Christmas, when they've had a chance to have a couple of frosts. You can also add salt to the water while you're cooking it, and what the salt does is helps to burst open the cells, so that releases even more sugar, so you don't have to cook it for so long as well.
A little bit of salt,
Yeah.
then happy kids.
Yeah.
Bingo.